Hi, I'm Shouting and welcome to my channel. As you can tell from the video title, today I'm gonna be showing you my DIY wall art using washi tape. Wall stickers can be slightly pricey, so I thought washi tape is gonna be perfect since I can remove it or change the design anytime I want. Here are the supplies I used. The washi tape that I'm using has a width of 3 mm. It's super slim and great for creating lines. If you're thinking of trying out this DIY for yourself, there are lots of ideas that you can find online. It's gonna be tough to create curves with washi tape, so geometric shapes or line arts work best. I found this illustration of a geometric moon and I printed it in the size that I wanted my wall art to be. Paste the reference on the wall using painter's tape. Painter's tape is great because it can be removed from surfaces easily. If you don't have painter's tape, masking tape or washi tapes of other colors work the same too. Using painter's tape, I marked out the outline of the moon at the points where a new strip of washi tape is needed. Once the outline is marked out, I pasted washi tape accordingly. Connect each point with a strip of washi tape. Make sure that the tape strips overlap each other completely at the connecting points and trim off any excess. And the outline is completed. I'm gonna fill up the inside of the moon with more lines. I didn't follow the reference exactly, and it took a while to get the look I wanted. And it's completed. I'm really happy with how the DIY turned out, and if you tried it out for yourself, let me know in the comments and tell me how it went. Thanks for watching and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next video.